kumshi benta ban ailat egi samla ban penpau ya kasam ban penslur ki ban shim benta haki kampai ba ban yakran halor ki policy ki ba ajing mento ya ki samla puli ban yatai halor ki mat ki ba kongsan jongkari na kalyang ka Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports ka Sarkar India harangkat ka Nehu Yuva Kendra Sagathan kala yo ban penlong ya karansan Viksit Bharat Youth Parliament District Nodal Round Hamairang Presbyterian Science College kabahab hapo Eastern West Khasi Hills District halor kapang One Nation One Election paving the way for Viksit Bharat yakni ka program ki samla puli la sedang menta kasngi khat kendai terik leber bat en penkut pat hak arpau terik leber rasa kia ke jingwan ban shimbanta hadu shispa san pongot ki samla puli ki ba kenthop na po ka West Khasi Hills, East Garo Hills, North Garo Hills, West Garo Hills, South Garo Hills but Southwest Garo Hills district. Na kini shispa san pongot ki samla puli injit yeshi pongot ki samla ki ba wan shakmat ban shimbanta haka state level ka ban salongshen. Hakani kasngi lawan bani donlang u deputy director ka Nehu Yuva Kendri Shillong u ba di rapsang kumukongsan harangkat u principal ka college ba thank you u AEC ka Eastern West Khasi Hills district u ba Elmer Thong ki judge kinong hikai bat ki samla puli.
So what are the benefits of having one nation and one election? First, it can save a significant amount of money and conducting multiple elections is costly affair. And by putting them together, we can reduce the financial burdens in our country. Moreover, it can reduce the disruptions caused by the frequent elections, allowing our government to focus our governance rather than elections campaign. Another advantage is that it can increase the voters' turnout. When elections are held together, voters are more likely to participate as they only need to cast their ballots once.
Currently pursuing my second semester in Zoology Department, and I would just share thought on this topic: one election, one nation, paving the way for Viksit Bharat. One nation, one election, a visionary idea led by our Prime Minister Modi government. It aims to unite the nation, reduce chaos, and allow uninterrupted progress. It takes a closer look at how synchronized election can streamline governance, save valuable resources, and empower citizens. One election, one nation envision a synchronized electoral process where elections to the Lok Sabha, the legislative assemblies, and possibly the local bodies are conducted simultaneously. This approach aims to replace the existing staggered election schedules with a unified electoral cycle, thereby reducing disruption and enabling better governance. Its objective is to reduce loss, enhance the governance, the model code of conduct, which means improve voter engagement and voters turnout, and next is the administrative efficiency. By addressing these challenges and concerns, ideas can successfully implement a one nation, one election, paving the way for which a more efficient, stable, and effective electoral process. This can in turn contribute to the country's overall development and growth.
My name is Kajip Tukamai, and as I was currently pursuing my BSc first semester for Youth Department. Today I want to talk about the topic of one nation, one election, paving the way for Viksit Bharat. And as we know, this concept is championed by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and he aims to synchronize elections across the country by reducing chaos, saving resources, and promoting uninterrupted progress. Current electoral calendar has led to frequent elections and disrupting governance, draining resources, and slowing development. By holding simultaneous elections for the Lok Sabha state legislative assemblies and local bodies, we can streamline governance, enhance voter engagement, and promoting administrative efficiencies. So So the benefit of one nation and one election is to reduce costs, enhance governance, improve voter engagement, and to promote administrative efficiencies.
Good morning to each and every one of you present and sitting here in this hall. I'm standing here feeling blessed, and indeed it is such a blessed day for me. I thank God for that, and I believe everyone feels the same. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ajahn Shaimole from BSc 6th semester from Department of Botany from this college only. The concept of understanding behind this topic, everyone, I hope you know. So directly, I will touch a bit on how I see and think about this topic. The concept behind this topic, one election, one nation, or OEN, or OEON, reminds me of how to build up myself to make a change for the world. We struggle a lot in this journey of life, but for success, let us bring love, put efforts, and concentrate. For nation, it is us, we the citizens of the nation, have to change and needs the same mindset towards goal. As we all want success in life, so the politicians, so the nations. Only then we can reach to this goal and make it happen.
I'd like to mention here the new highlights of this National Youth Parliament. All round conducted offline for a more immersive experience. And then each state level qualifier will have an opportunity to speak during the national round opening and closing remarks and purposes ensuring inclusivity. And you should know that in every district we have to select 10 participants to represent your district to the state level. But I should say it is very unfortunate to know from Garo Hills only 3 participants from Milanagar and 3 participants from West Garo Hills, only that much, right? There were no participants from other districts. This is really, I should say, disappointing to us. Because we have to select at least 10 participants from each district to represent your own district to the state level. But anyway, maybe this is the first time for you, and we hope next year there will be more participants to come forward to take part in this National Youth Parliament. And I would like to tell you regarding the objective of organizing this Viksit Bharat Youth Parliament. The number one objective is to amplify youth voices, provide a platform for youth aged 18 to 25 years of age, and to deliberate on national issues at the district, state, and national level. For the state level, we already arranged all the participants will have to attend in the assembly. The speaker of Meghalaya Assembly will be one of the jury members during the state level. So number 2 is to encourage public engagement. I mean, to foster youth involvement in public issues, encouraging them to understand the viewpoints of ordinary citizens, form their opinions and express them effectively. And the third, to develop decision-making skills. Encourage the development of critical thinking and decision-making abilities among the youth. Number 4, to foster respect and tolerance. Cultivate an environment where respect for diverse opinions is essential. Promoting tolerance and understanding. And number 5, to promote rule adherence. Instill an understanding that discussion must be governed by rules and structure for effective outcomes. Number 6, to gather youth opinion on Viksit Bharat.
capture the perspective and ideas of youth on the vision of Viksit Bharat, helping shape India's future growth. Number 7 is to share youth ideas with policymakers. Documents and present youth perspective to policymakers, ensuring youth-driven ideas are incorporated into the development agenda. This year, Reimagine or Viksit Bharat Youth Parliament reflects a vision that both forward-looking and rooted in the belief that youth are not merely the recipient of change, but active change in shaping India's future. By providing a robust platform for debate, engagement and policy implementation, it aims to empower young leaders who will drive the nation's progress. It's truly inspiring to know that the Viksit Bharat Youth Parliament 2025 is an opportunity for young voices to be heard and contribute to Indian growth. And the future is in the hands of the youth, and I believe that we have the potential to drive the real change. Best of luck to everyone participating in this Viksit Bharat Youth.